What's going on, guys? It's Chen, and after owning the Apple Watch Ultra 2 for just over a year now, these are three of my favorite accessories that I honestly do not regret buying, and I think they're worth every single penny if you own the Apple Watch Ultra. I love these personally, and I hope you guys will too, so let's get right into it. Okay, first, to no one's surprise, it is the titanium Milanese loop. Now, I've actually made a video on this in the past talking about how much I love this specific loop, but after a whole year of using it, I've grown to love it even more with each day because of so many reasons. Now, I am going to skip over quite a few of them, like how it dries really quickly, how it's super durable, how it doesn't lose color, how it's super aesthetic. But the reason why is because the thing that I really want to talk about is how it still looks the same as I had it on day one. Like seriously, after using it for boxing, running, biking, even in the gym, I definitely hit it a few times. I've definitely worn it for so many activities, and literally to this day, it still looks the same and performs the same. And on top of that, I feel like it blends really well with all of my outfits, and honestly, I can't be any happier with it. Typically, when I buy an Apple Watch, I feel like I always have to buy a couple different bands just for different scenarios or just to give a fresher feeling of the Apple Watch. But with this one-time purchase, and of course, I know that the titanium loop is quite expensive, but for that one-time purchase, I don't ever have to buy other ones. I don't have that fear of missing out on other bands. I just buy one that I'm happy with and I know that I'm gonna love for the entirety of the product's life. So yeah, the titanium Milanese loop is the only band you should be buying. I promise you. Okay, now this one is for all my non-Apple Care Apple Watch Ultra 2 users. This accessory is a very specifically made screen protector for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This one is really special because it has a screen and a lip that covers the entire watch face and the corners of it, and not just the screen. And I particularly like this because of the fact that it covers the lip of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 screen, so that you don't have to deal with any of those little tiny nicks or those little scratches on the top. And I know, like the glass is made out of sapphire crystal and that's made out of titanium. It already is super durable, but the way I look at it is that, would you rather spend, $20-$30 on a couple screen protectors that you know it's going to do its job? Or do you want to go out of warranty without Apple Care and risk the chance of it scratching, or maybe you just break the screen overall? And if that happens, it's going to render your Apple Watch pretty much useless, right? So in my opinion, I think it's so much smarter to buy that screen protector, make that small time investment so that you can protect the lifeline of your Apple Watch Ultra. And lastly, we have the Apple 40-watt charger from, of course, Apple. Now, the reason why we're picking this one is because it can allow your Apple Watch Ultra or the Apple Watch Series 10 and a couple other series to charge faster than it would normally charge. Now, you don't have to get the 40-watt charging brick that I have, but you can get anything that is 18 watts and above, and you're going to achieve that fast charging capability from your Apple Watch Ultra. Now, the reason why I love this specific brick so much is because of the fact that you can actually separate it into two different cables. So you can charge your phone or you can charge your Apple Watch Ultra. Now, another big reason why I really loved this specific charging brick is because I use this on my travels quite a bit. I know that a lot of people use different chargers that unfold and you can put your phone and your Apple Watch on, but I really love this one because I prefer cable charging instead, because A, you get access to fastest charging possible, and you don't have to worry about carrying a battery pack around all the time. But seriously, I love this so much because it was so convenient to carry around in my bag. When I was traveling around Tokyo, I really didn't need to carry a battery pack. All I needed to do was just bring this little brick around with the cables, and I have access to fast charging at any time I wanted. So if I made a stop at a cafe or something like that, I could charge my phone 50% in 30 minutes or charge my Apple Watch Ultra 2 if I really needed to. But the battery life on the Apple Watch Ultra is literally 2 days, so I rarely ever, in fact, I never needed to do that. But it is always nice to have that option. So yeah, it's been a huge part of my life, and this is the only charger that I would personally invest in if I was looking for only one charging accessory. Now again, you don't have to buy the 40-watt charger from Apple. You can really buy anything that is above 80 watts. Now keep in mind, if it does split into two, you do want something that is about 40 watts or more, because then you get 20 20 watts on each one, whereas if you get something lower and it splits into two, you're not getting that same fast charging capability if you charge two devices at once. Now, I am going to leave a link in the description to all the products that I currently own, and I think that you should too if you own an Apple Watch Ultra. I think they're totally useful, but I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just giving you my opinion on what things that I really like about the Apple Watch Ultra in terms of accessories. That's really about it, guys. If you own the Apple Watch Ultra or the previous generations of the Apple Watch, leave a comment down below. Let me know what accessories that you think I'm missing out on. And if you're thinking about buying any of these accessories, I hope this video helped you make a more informed decision when you are buying, accessories for your Apple Watch, because they aren't cheap. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and it does go a long way and help support the channel. And I have a bunch of other Apple Watch videos if you are interested in everything fitness, tech, and lifestyle. So all that kind of stuff will give you tons of value. So make sure you check those out. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.